what up there? You are watching Atmosphere and
This is part 3 of counting surface for NATA and IIT Mains paper 2, and let's start this video. So this is the first question that we are going to solve, and here is the 3D model and there are 4 options given with the total number of surfaces. So let's jump to the 3D model. Here is our 3D model and now we will number the surfaces here. So we have the numbering of the surfaces here and we will start to calculate the total number of surfaces by counting these numbers. So this is surface number 1, surface number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and at the bottom 18. So from this view some of the surfaces are hidden, but we have to calculate them also, like this surface here which is 4 and this surface 9 and 11 and 14 and 12 and 18. So these surfaces is to be counted while getting the total surfaces. So now we can see from the option number B, which is 18, is the correct option. So this is the second question that we are going to solve. Here is the 3D model and there are 4 options with the total number of surfaces. So let's jump to the 3D model. Here we have the 3D model and this is the view that is given in the question, and now we will turn on the numbering. So here we got the numbering and we start the count here to get the total number. Surface number 1, 2, the hidden surfaces 3, 4, 5, 6, surface 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, surface at the back 15, 16 and surface at the bottom 17. So our total number of surfaces for this question is 17. So from the option given, C is the correct answer. This is the third question that we are going to solve. So here is the question and we have the 4 options with total number of surfaces. Now we will jump over to the 3D model. So here is our 3D model. Now we will turn on the numbering and we will count the total number. So this is the surface number 1, surface number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 1 at the bottom 12. So we got the total surfaces as 12 and for this question option number D is the correct option. So this is the fourth question that we are going to solve. So here is our 3D model and we have 4 options with the total number of surfaces. Let's jump to the 3D model. So here we have the 3D model and now we will turn on the number of surfaces. So these are the numbering given to the surfaces and we will start the total count. Surface number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and at the bottom 12. So our total number of surface is 12 and option number C is the correct option for this question. This is the last question that we are going to solve. So we have the 3D model here and the 4 option is given with the total number of surfaces. Let's jump to the 3D model. So here is our 3D model and now we will turn on the total number of surfaces and we will start counting the surfaces. So this is the surface number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 1 at the bottom 16. So our answer is 16 and we can see that Option number C is the correct option for this question.
I hope that you like this video, and if you like this video, please hit like button and please subscribe to the channel, and please share this video to your friends who are appearing for IT Mains paper 2. And these video will be really helpful for your preparation. Thanks for watching this video. See you next time.